Hello everyone. Welcome to another very interesting video from Smart Money. Many of us wonder what the value of our life is. Is it worth 1 million, 5 million, or 50 million? This question bothers us more when thinking of buying a life insurance. How much life insurance you should buy? It is a common question that many people ask themselves, especially when they have dependents who rely on their income. Believe me, I have seen extraordinarily rich and influential people not knowing the value of their life. Purchasing the right amount of life insurance can provide financial security and peace of mind, but it is important to get it right. In this video, we will discuss how much life insurance you need. By the end of this video, you will exactly know how much life insurance coverage you should have. Once you finish watching this video, you will be amongst top 1% people in the world who understand the value of their lives. When we are not around, our loved ones still have to take care of lots of expenses. Isn't it prudent that we plan in such a fashion that the financial burden is taken care of, even in our absence? Did you know that the average cost of funeral expenses in the United States is around $7,000? That is a significant burden to place on our loved ones, especially if we are no longer around to contribute financially. With life insurance, you can ensure that your family does not have to bear this cost alone. And mind you, this is only one of the many expenses family will have to undertake. So, how do you determine how much is the value of your life? Or in other words, how much life insurance do you need? Here are several factors to consider. First, income. One of the primary reasons people purchase life insurance is to replace their income in case of death. To calculate how much coverage you need, multiply your annual income by the number of years you want your spouse or dependents to be covered after your passing. For example, if you earn $60,000 per year and want your spouse to receive coverage for 10 years, you will need $600,000 in life insurance, which is $60,000 per annum for 10 years, totaling to $600,000. There is another slightly conservative school of thought which says, instead of income, one should consider providing for expenses. Either way, choice is yours. Second, debts. Many people have debts, such as mortgages, car loans, or credit card balances, that they would not want their family to have to pay off after they pass away. Add up all of your outstanding debts and factor them into your calculation. For instance, if you owe $200,000 on your home and $10,000 on a car loan, you will need additional $210,000 in life insurance. Third, funeral expenses. As mentioned earlier, funeral costs can be quite expensive, typically ranging between $7,000 to $10,000. You might wish to set aside funds specifically for this purpose to alleviate the burden on your family. Fourth, educational expenses. If you have children or grandchildren, you might want to consider setting aside funds for their education. Depending on their age and educational goals, this could involve tens of thousands of dollars. You can consider setting aside funds for other expenses also in case you wish to fund them, such as marriage expense of kids, etc. Let us understand the above by a couple of examples. To illustrate just how much life insurance someone might need, let us consider two hypothetical scenarios. Scenario 1, Sarah, age 35. Sarah is married with 2 young children and a stay-at-home spouse. She earns $80,000 annually working as an accountant. Based on her income and family circumstances, she determines that she needs $1 million in life insurance coverage to ensure her family's financial well-being in the event of her passing. Scenario 2, Tom, age 50. Tom is divorced with 3 adult children from a previous marriage. He owns his home outright and has accumulated retirement savings totaling $500,000. Although he does not have any dependents, he wants to leave behind enough funds for his children to inherit and cover any final expenses. After calculating his projected funeral costs, he decides he needs $250,000 in life insurance coverage. According to a recent survey, the average American has approximately $97,000 in life insurance coverage. However, this figure varies widely depending on factors such as age, health status, occupation, and family size. Interestingly, the same study found that half of Americans believe they need more life insurance than they currently have, indicating a general awareness of the importance of having adequate coverage. In conclusion, as you can see, determining how much life insurance you need involves considering multiple factors, including income, debts, funeral expenses, and educational expenses. While these calculations might seem daunting, remember that life insurance exists precisely to protect your loved ones from financial hardship in the event of your passing. By carefully evaluating your individual circumstances and consulting with a qualified insurance professional, you can secure the appropriate level of coverage to safeguard your family's financial well-being for years to come. Do not wait until it is too late. Take out a pen and paper right now and do the maths. If you like this channel, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching.